I have a long list. You ready? Okay. I'm gonna have the short decaf peppermint mocha latte, the short decaf caramel brulee latte, short decaf toasted white chocolate mocha latte, then the grande sugar cookie almond milk latte with just one shot of espresso, and the decaf chestnut praline latte. That is all. Cayla, C-A-Y-L-A. Thank you. I got it. Yay. Okay. It is finally time. I'm so freaking excited. I have never done this type of video before, but today I am trying all of the new Starbucks holiday drinks. We have every single holiday drink here. Most of these are shorts, all of them are decafs because I cannot handle caffeine. So let's get into it. I'm gonna try the shorts first and work my way up. I think the only one that's new this year is the Sugar Cookie Almondmilk Latte. I think that is this one right here. So I'm gonna put this one down and save it for the absolute last. This is a short toasted white mocha decaf. I've never had a toasted white mocha before. I know this is not a new one, but I'm gonna try it in this cute little cup. Okay, first off, it smells delicious. That is literally so good. Oh my gosh. That one definitely tastes like white chocolate. Straight up white chocolate. So good though. I think I'd have to give this a 9 out of 10. Next one we have is the short peppermint mocha, again, decaf. And this is this cup. So adorable. I love it. This one tastes like peppermint hot chocolate. I really do like it, but compared to the last one, which was the white mocha, I think I would definitely give this like a 7. It's good. It's your basic go-to peppermint latte. Next, I'm going to be trying the short caramel brulee latte, and this is a decaf as well. This is the cup. I think it's the same as the white mocha one. I'm not sure if I got all of the cup designs that they have. I honestly don't remember, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is heavenly. This tastes like caramel popcorn. This is the best one. I'd give this a 10 out of 10. I have the Chestnut Praline Decaf. This one came out last year, I think. I really wanted to try it, but I didn't get around to it, and everybody was raving about it. So now I'm gonna finally get to try it. Ooh. It tastes like Christmas. This is definitely Christmas in a cup. You can definitely taste like the chestnut part of it. It kind of tastes a little bit like almonds. It is a little bit less sweet than the caramel brulee, but I like it. It's a little bit more bitter. This is really good. I would give it an 8 out of 10 though. All right, last but not least, the final one. We have this beautiful grande cup full of the Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte. I think they use a blonde espresso shot, but because I wanted it decaf, they couldn't do the blonde espresso shot. And then I only did like one shot because, again, I'm trying to stay away from the caffeine. So hopefully that doesn't change the taste of this too much, but we're gonna find out. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna tell you what, it tastes exactly how it sounds. If you're familiar with the taste of like raw sugar cookie dough, I know you're not supposed to eat it raw, but we do every once in a while, right? It tastes like raw sugar cookie dough and then with almond milk. So it's almost as if instead of using milk just like regular milk to make your sugar cookie dough, you used almond milk instead, this is exactly how that would taste. And I do think that maybe the blonde espresso might taste a little bit better with this, because I think it's giving it, I think the decaf shot is giving it a little bit of like bitterness. I'm not a barista, okay? I barely know anything about coffee. I'm just telling you what I think. I think this is like a solid 6. If I can remember the order correctly, this is ranking bottom. The Sugar Cookie Almondmilk Latte is at the bottom with a 6. The Caramel Brule is at the top with a 10, okay? She tops the list. She's so good. Close second is the Toasted White Chocolate Mocha at an 8. Smack in between, we've got the Peppermint Mocha at 7 and the Chestnut Praline at 7. I wish that I got these two, my favorite drinks, in a larger size now. I'm gonna have to give the rest of this to my mom, and I'm gonna have to just be okay with this tiny size. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Support me, stick around for the rest of the holiday videos, subscribe, like, comment what you would like to see next in this holiday series. Comment a holiday series name that I could do for this channel, because I don't know. I could do like Cayla's Christmas or something. I don't know. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I am so excited to continue making holiday content for you. Kick back, relax, enjoy, all of those things. And I'll talk to you in the next one.